Ano po bram nga?
Naglataw kami yung bakit ko. Hi! See? Oh, ngayon lang din kami lumabas. Ay, ngayon lang din ako kasama na ano yung holiday start sa kanila. Ngayon lang ulit. Char. Lagi ako doon sa kabilang bangir. So, ayan mga kasama namin. Charon. We are going out. We are on the exit of Lokmachaw. This is Lokmachaw. OMG.
Kaman aring manutin na kasi
27.9.
oh,
25.25?
Huh?
Oh, wow.
27.9 yun.
galing tayo sa ano?
Ay, oo.
You're all, after crossing HK Immigration, Washington, China Immigration.
Doon ka para makuha ka doon. Sir. Ayan guys. Hello. Good morning. Unang video. So, welcome to Lokmachaw.
Sa Bali Labo, Sir Emma. Powder mo?
Powder. Wala. Ay, naku. Nakakapagod. Wow.
Dapat tayo!
So, ayan. Nakabalik na kami. Naka-exit na kami ng immigration. Pabalik na kami sa Shungsoy. Naka-exit kami sa Fujian Immigration.
Nawaw, mali pala.
Nawaw, mali. So, ayan guys. Nandito kami sa Shungsoy. Magsasakay na kami pupunta na kami ng Lowu Station. So, ito ang aming mga kasama. Totoo na to! Totoo na to!
Na-extend mo naman. Allah, DJ, what the fuck? Dapat ka din.
Kurang karta ako na dito ako sa kusla ka ng Indian. Ayan guys, ang dami namin. Ito mga kasama namin. Nandito kami sa departure area, waiting for the time to go. Hanggang departure pa lang kami.
Mag-ano kayo? Mag-linya rin kayo picture.
So, we're going now. The journey started.
Guys, let's go.
Let's go.
This way.
Ayan, ang dami-dami namin.
This way, guys.
Uy! Dami-dami straight to heaven. Ay, nagkakali na. Check your pairs. Kami na.
Pinay, ang talaga. Pinay naman ba?
ma means how are you? If you don't know how to answer, here teacher Steven would like to teach you, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, if I ask it, 你好吗 or 你好吗, you just say how. How means very good, pretty good. If you don't know how to say how, I teach you the simple way. You just say ha. Okay, good morning. 你好吗? Very good student. That's why I told you Mahai Kukayu. Yeah, Salamat po, okay? Very glad to meet you here. Very glad to be a tour guide. Both of us are Uncle Steven, right? This Maganda, her name is 11. If you don't remember 11, just remember 7-11. Am I right? So you can call me 7. You can call her 11. That's 7-11, right? Easy for you to remember, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, welcome to China. Very glad to be your guide, in Shenzhen. Shenzhen. Okay, before the tour starts, everybody please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, so welcome to Shenzhen. So right now we start our journey. Yeah, so if you already learned some Chinese words, yes, I only know Maganda, because I see more Maganda faces in this bus. So how many friends are the first time to come to Shenzhen here? Let me look. Okay, so half. So the rest of us, how many times we come already? 2. 6. Oh, this is more times you come here. 6 times already. Yeah. Okay. So anybody, if you come to the first time, so the immigration required us. We need to come here for sightseeing by groups. So they required us. Everybody, we should have a picture to identify we are sightseeing here. So that's why we go there. Firstly, we need buy a group photo and have one single photo, one by one. Yeah. So we go there. Firstly, we do group. So don't go outside the picture by ourselves. Okay? By group, we line up one by one. We have our staff there. They will take pictures for us. Then we all together 41 have a group photo. After that, I will leave few free time for us. So we have free time. Okay? So yeah, so we go there, group time, then free time. Okay? So this is for groups. So after that, then we will go to Dongguan. Yeah, we will go to eat first for food. After that, we will go to see the Yingxian Resort. We will go to see the glass bridge. Yeah, we will go to surf. We will go to animal zoo. We will go to ice world. Okay, so firstly, we all by groups. After that, then we have free time. Okay, so next time, right now, I will introduce something about Shenzhen for us. Just now we already know one thing. We have more ladies and less boys in Shenzhen here. Because Shenzhen is a very young city. The city really began to build is in 1980. So right now is 44 years old only. Yeah. So in that time, in 1978, one man named Deng Xiaoping, he circled some circles on the map of China. So here be the special economic zones. Shenzhen is one of here. So we named Shenzhen, all the names. The full name is Shenzhen Special Economic Zone. Yeah, so, but Hong Kong is, we also call Hong Kong Special Administrative. So here we can the Shenzhen and Hong Kong some differences. Firstly, we can see our driver, he sits by left side and we drive by all right side. It's opposite from Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, the driver is sit by right side, but we drive by left side, right? Yeah,
parang
so
Pinas.
this is the first thing different from Hong Kong and Shenzhen here. Even if we go to Macau, Macau is same in Hong Kong, right? Yeah. Okay, the second is we hear the currency is different. In Hong Kong, we use Hong Kong dollars. Yeah, in China here we use RMB, we name say 1 yuan, 2 yuan. Yeah, so you know one thing, when I go to Hong Kong, if I take a taxi and I told the driver I don't have Hong Kong dollar, I will pay you by China money and the rate to 1 to 1. He will be very happy. Yeah, you know why?
Because it's high.
Because China money right now the rate is a little higher than Hong Kong dollar. Yeah, it's around like 92 yuan equal 100 Hong Kong dollar. Yeah, that's why if I give the driver 100 RMB, it's more than 100 Hong Kong dollar. Yeah, so he will be happy. But if you come to Shenzhen, you tell the driver, can I give you Hong Kong dollars? The driver will say no. First, the rate is different. Second, in Hong Kong, the money is free to change. You can change it very freely to US dollar to Hong Kong dollar, euro to Hong Kong dollar, right? No limited, right? But in Shenzhen here, everybody will have a limited. Yeah, everybody is 50,000 US dollar per year. Oh yes, this is first thing. So because the money is first, the rate is different. Second, it's we here have limited for money exchange. So for us, it's very hard to. We need to go to the bank to queue a long time and then to money exchange. That's why most people here cannot accept the Hong Kong dollar. Okay, so. This is the second thing different. Yeah, and the third is the language. In Hong Kong, we can.
So, and anyway, the food we are going to eat a little bit spicy, but not too much spicy, you know? Yeah. So I think at least 99% people give us the feedback good, you know, before. So today, we also go to the same restaurant, you know, where the tourists have been before. Yeah. Just a few minutes ago, I got a call. That's the manager from the restaurant called us, asked where we are now. I tell him a bad news. I say it will take us about another 2 hours. You know, because that's what I checked from the, you know, map. Traffic, really very traffic. No traffic, only 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. But today will take us about 2 hours 34 minutes. Yeah. But anyway, doesn't matter lah. You already been to the washroom, right? I also prepared the bottle here for you, empty bottle. Oh no, sorry, it's not for you, for the driver. So that will be the arrangement about the, you know, coming programs for us. After the lunch, we will go to one of a very popular tourism attraction center. We name it as Yingshan Resort. Yingshan Resort, right? Yeah. So today, Yingshan Resort, I wish we would be lucky, no rain over there. Otherwise, the transparent glasses, you know, the glass bridge will be closed. Why? Because of the water slippery, understand? Yeah. If the rain stop over 20 minutes, all the staff, they will clean the glass bridge, make it dry, and then we can walk. Otherwise, slippery, we are worried if you are falling off from the glass bridge. Over the, you know, over the ground floor about 70 meters high. You know, that's about 25 floors. 25 floors, you know. And apart from the glass bridge, you know, anyway, today I think there were some people, crazy men, use a camera to take a photo from the bottom of the glass bridge. You know why? Because it's transparent. Some Madonna wear the dress, you know. Some crazy men take a photo there. But today, luckily, because of the bad weather, right? They cannot take a photo anymore, you know. Yeah. And one more thing is, we can go to the indoors, you know, to watch some of the shows over there. The show, you know. And there's another item we call it a water drifting. From a higher place, take a boat, boom, down. All the people will be totally wet. That's why you need to wear such kind of the raincoat. Yeah, that one very exciting. All the items I mentioned, that's included. We no need to pay, you know, to buy the entrance ticket, because the entrance ticket is already included. And then will be the, you know, snowing and ice world. I know all of you from the Philippines, right? Are you from Indonesia? Yeah. Filipino and Indonesian. You know that the weather always very hot year around, right? No snow at all. That's why we can go there to experience. Especially this country in the world, apart from Russia, right?
Yes.
We also have a plenty population. Am I right?
Yes.
And China is also the
History
country with such a long time history. Over 5,000 years. So
Storyteller.
during the year when the first emperor in China, whose name is Qin Shi Huang, Q-I-N, Emperor Q-I-N, understand? Back to 2,200 years ago, he unified the whole country. Before he unified the whole country, China is a country consists of many different kingdoms. You know the kingdom? Kingdoms. Kingdoms, you know. So Emperor Qin Shi Huang unified the whole country,
Kingdoms pala,
and
kingdoms.
to prohibit, you know, the people from Mongolia come to China. So he had the Great Wall built. You know, he had the Great Wall built. So the original part of the Great Wall was built during the Qin Dynasty, back to 2,200 years ago. Understand? The last part of the Great Wall was built during the Ming Dynasty. That's about 450 years ago. So today, the Great Wall, where we can go to visit, where we can go to climb up. So that's a part located in Beijing.
Beijing.
Did you heard the name before? Beijing?
Yes.
Just like a Manila?
Yes,
Right?
it's in our book.
Beijing is the capital of China. That's where you can go to climb up, you can go to visit the Great Wall. Understand? So who want to travel to Beijing?
Me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 of you. No, you're not. Oh, 7, 8, now 9.
You
9,
post
10.
it
Oh,
so
12.
that so many want to go there.
So many want to go there, right?
You post in your Facebook
Yes.
so that we have.
You know, during the I think 2 months ago, I've been to Beijing. So during the heavy snow day, you know, on my Facebook you can see the video, right? Very heavy snowing, you know.
Yes.
I was in I especially went to Beijing, you know, with the travel agencies, you know, to
Wow.
experience the snowing in
Yes,
Beijing.
we want
yeah?
to try that one.
Beijing, honestly, it's very nice, very beautiful,
Is it
very
far?
safe. Yeah.
Is it far?
Yes, very
far.
far. How far?
How far?
By walk?
Train.
Yeah.
Train.
By train, 24 hours.
Ah?
By
Airplane.
high speed train,
24
it's about 8 hours.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
high
And
speed train.
by airplane,
1 hour.
guess how far?
2, 8,
No,
30 minutes.
3 hours only.
3 hours.
Wow.
3 hours.
I want to go. 3
You want to go?
Oh, it's still
Yeah?
far.
Okay,
3
who want to have
hours.
a dating with me to Beijing?
3 hours. Philippines is just less than
you know,
2
but
hours.
the only problem is we need a visa.
Wala pa gani.
We need a
Iya,
visa
gani
to
ko
there,
para
you know.
kung kansa ganun.
Today, we arranged the group visa for you, right?
Yes.
This group visa is only for Shenzhen, Guangzhou, you know. These cities in South China, not for Beijing. If this visa allow you to go to Beijing. I think we will have plenty clients travel to Beijing with me, with my colleagues. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, even we can.
Grabe pala ang traffic doon sa harap.
Ang ako, ang make-up kita.
Kaya pala. Dito lang sa site tinitignan namin eh.
Niyara ko magkuhan lang.
I-search mo yung YouTube ko dyan. Tayo nang patugtugin mo. Free yun, walang pay.
Maybe I'll give you one more dish, okay? So 6 days and 3 days.
Ay, oo nga, bayabas, saging, may bila, may kamoteng kahoy, may bilao.
Saan ang bilao?
Ayun, oh.
Ang bilao ba yan?
Anong tawag yan?
Boy-boy. Ay, hindi yun, boy-boy.
Sa amin, bilao yun.
May bilao?
Iba naman yung bilao na pangkuan. Ayun, oh, mga
Kala ko bilao yun, yung
talahib
bilao.
na bilao. Tapos, ano pa ba? Nakikita ko dito sa gilid. Yan, may garden. Nagga-garden sila. May payo.
Yun, yung payo nila na garden. Pinagtatanim nila.
Yan. May fern. Ang daming fern. Ano pa ba? Wakal day udong.
Wala, hindi na makita. Mabili. Pero ganito mga bahay nila. Ganyan. Ganyan din pala mga bahay nila dito sa...
So, sightseeing muna tayo dito sa province na
Yung papunta sa atin, ito na sa Sangbay. Rino.
Punta na to sa park.
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.